Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from Gemini to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Solana tokens for better control or to dive into DeFi, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few essentials. A verified Gemini account with some Solana in it, and the Phantom Wallet app installed on your phone or browser. Phantom is one of the best wallets for Solana, offering easy access to the blockchain. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head to the Gemini website or open their app, and enter your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll need that too for extra security. Step 2. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and find the Assets, or Wallet, section. Locate your Solana balance, that's the amount you'll be transferring. Step 3. Click on the Withdraw or Send button next to your Solana. You'll be prompted to select the network. For Solana, make sure it's set to the Solana blockchain to avoid any issues. Step 4. Now, enter the recipient address. Open your Phantom Wallet, go to the Receive tab, and copy your wallet address. This is super important. Double-check it to prevent any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Input the amount of Solana you want to send, and review any fees. Gemini might charge a small withdrawal fee, so keep that in mind. Step 6. Hit Confirm. You'll get a summary of the transaction. Take a second to verify everything. Once approved, Gemini will process the transfer, which usually takes a few minutes. Finally, switch back to your Phantom Wallet and refresh it. Your Solana should appear shortly. A pro tip. For your first transfer, start with a small amount to test. If anything goes wrong, check Gemini's Help Center or the Solana Explorer for transaction status. And there you have it. You're all set. Sending Solana has never been easier. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.